I'll pick up the first question. Why do I think that what we're saying today to Member States in terms of preparedness for COVID-19 vaccination will bring a result, as you asked, Gillian? I believe it will, because I have known, and we have known for the last few months, that 27 Member States have been working hand in hand and side by side by the European Commission in the European Vaccination Strategy in order to leave no stone unturned to reach a safe and effective vaccine. So they are all very committed in this effort with the European Commission. So what we are telling them today is what they need to have in place once this vaccine that they have also dedicated so much effort into is, if and when it is available, what they need to have in place in Member States so they can deploy to reach their citizens as quickly as possible. The second point that you asked, I was standing here, I tend to lose track of time with the pandemic, but I think it was about 3 weeks ago in this press room, telling Member States that they had really last chances to get ready ahead of a difficult winter. So I wanted to really re-emphasize this today and to say that we are definitely not where we were in the levels of preparedness that we were at the beginning of the pandemic. It's a totally different situation. And we have many EU common approaches that we can talk about, the EU common approach to testing that has been agreed through the Health Security Committee in September and more. But I will be honest, and I will never stop being totally open and transparent about this and vocal. We had a July communication on preparedness, and we still need to hear from several Member States on how they are progressing with this implementation. Of the urgent actions we then asked for in July. And unless we have this information, we are not able to follow and see how implementation is happening. So it cannot be stressed, and this is the reason I was speaking also to ministers, that they should continue their testing and contact tracing, but we need to have the information of how this is moving. And now, after a Council agreement, where there will be a colour coding system, which will also be picking this up. This will be also more public and more transparent, so we will be able to know, and you will be able to know, which Member States are in fact following the recommendations that are being put forward by us. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner.